Welcome to this quick tip video on how to create a new availability status in Mitel's MiCollab client. This feature allows you to customize your availability settings, ensuring calls are routed to the right devices based on your needs. Let's get started. First, click on your profile icon, located in the top right corner of your MiCollab client. Next, click on the Availability drop-down menu. This will show your current status options. Now, select Manage Status to open the customization settings. To add a new availability status, click on the three dots under your profile icon and select New. Now, enter a name for your new status. This name will help you easily identify and select this status when needed. If you want to predefine which device will be used when making calls in this status, you can select it here. This can be useful if you want to automatically route calls through your desk phone, mobile, or soft phone when you initiate them from the MiCollab client. Next, choose which devices should ring when you receive a call in this status. You can select multiple devices if needed, ensuring you don't miss important calls. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Done button to save your new availability status. Now, when you open your availability drop-down menu, you'll see your newly created status listed and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom availability status in your MiCollab client. Customizing your status helps you manage your calls more efficiently and ensures seamless communication. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for future quick tip videos.